Hey, my friend, this is for people who want to make money online, but you don't know how to start. I think to me, this is a beginner digital marketing course where they hit the ground running with giving you the content. So there's 500 pre-made video reels that you get. They give you the digital product. They give you the website, which leaves you to just creating your account and uploading the content that they give you. And you get all of that for $47. So I think that's a pretty good deal. Again, it's good for digital marketers, beginner digital marketers. So you want to come here and you'll see what you'll get. Everything that I just mentioned, ready to sell website, things of that nature. Also, if you ever want to share or recommend this to people, you can earn $47. So I purchased this a couple of days ago. It only took me about an hour to set up, maybe another hour to create my account, and I created about 3 weeks worth of content. Okay, I haven't used the reels yet, but I will. But here's what my page looks like. So I started a Instagram. All right, so I'm just posting quotes right now. I also upload these to Instagram. I upload them to YouTube. So there they are on YouTube. And I use Facebook. So what I do, here's a tip for you right now. Here's a tip. Start with one of those. I would start with Instagram or TikTok. Probably a new channel. But I would start with one, and then when you get used to it, take the same image and put it on 2 other platforms. So right now what I'm doing, when I posted this one here, I posted this today. I posted it to Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook. So I have probably about maybe 10 or 15, 20 posts, 20 images, but I turned it into 60, if that makes sense. So I post one image, same image, 3 places. Okay? So that's one tip. Another tip is, even though this is called the daily dollar system, even though they give you 500 reels, a lot of those reels are going to look similar to other reels. Why? Because everyone wants pre-made videos, because nobody has time to really do it, right? And I understand, I'm working full time, I'm going to school full time, so I'm pretty busy. Okay? So we all want to maximize our time, but I want to encourage you to go over to Canva and create some of your own reels and videos, because it's all about learning. It's all about skill building, right? Okay, so here is like the table of contents for the daily dollar system. You're going to get the $100 a day code, how you'll make money. You'll get your magic link in the event that you want to share this and earn as well from reselling this product. They're going to show you how to create your Instagram and maximize it. They're going to show you how to automate your videos and where to download and get your videos. And it's going to show you how to scale up your sales. They do have what you call upsells, and I didn't get any of the upgrades. They're valuable. I just didn't get any. What I'm doing here is I want to see what's going to fit not only my schedule, but I want to see what's going to fit other people's schedule who work and have a work schedule like me, okay? Because I'm not a full-time entrepreneur. I'm part-time entrepreneur. I'm working full-time and, like I mentioned, doing other things. So I first wanted to see everything that they are mentioning on this page. Are you getting it? And you are, okay? And then you also get this members area too. So when you purchase, you're going to get this members area and you'll be able to go through it, and you hit the ground running. It doesn't take you very long to get through it. And I would say if you have 60 minutes or under, an hour and 30 minutes, you could go through this course. You can create your Instagram channel. You can download your reels and get things going immediately. Closer to 2 hours if you're going to create your own images. Like I said, I created my own images. They're quotes. and I created like my first 2 weeks. Okay, I created my first 2 weeks. So that's it for the daily dollar system. All right, a pretty neat system. It's straight to the point. All you have to do is be consistent. Your expectation should not be, I'm going to make one post and then I'm going to earn money. You know, even if you're using this training to promote your product that you have, don't have the expectation that you're going to make money the same day, you know, unless you have a huge following and people are just can't wait for you to post something and they purchase it. So make sure your expectations are not misaligned, okay? Because I don't want you to get discouraged. But I do believe that this is a good system for you to learn and apply, okay? So click the link in the video description. All transparency, I own this. I'm a member, so I own this. It is just $47 one time. However, when you click the link, that's my personal link. You click my personal link, I will earn $47, okay? All right, so many blessings and have at it.